guys, I just went to Trader Joe's because I had to get some stuff for tomorrow. And I saw this. This is the first time I've seen it there. It's their 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. We're gonna open it together. It's only $20. It's $19.99. So I figured, you know what? Let's do it. Okay, so number one is right here. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's a Brazil nut hair mask. I've actually heard that this is really good. This was kind of like all over TikTok for a little while there. So that apparently is amazing. It's got shea butter in it. Okay, number two. Oh, it just broke my nail. Freaking unbelievable. Neroli Bamboo Shave Cream. Let's smell it. Neroli is a really good scent, actually. I don't really smell anything. Number three, where are you? Number three is here. I'm actually scared I'm gonna break another nail. This is the Firming Body Butter Vitamin C with glycolic acid. Let's test it out. I don't like that they're like in the little tubes versus the tubs. Oh, you guys, that smells so good. That smells like the Satsuma from the Body Shop. So good. It's like just straight up orange juice. Actually feels really nice. It's like really hydrating. Okay, so love that. Number four is up here. What is it? It is the gingerbread cookie moisturizing lip balm. Oh, it smells like gingerbread cookie. Number five is right here. This is actually a really good little advent calendar for $20. Like, what an awesome, like, these are actually decent size. This is the Cake Batter Scented Body Butter. I've heard that this is really good. Oh my gosh, wow. It smells exactly like cake batter or like frosting. Not my favorite scent, but it's really sweet. So I think that maybe Lily would like that because she likes the cake batter smell. Number six is right here. So what is this? Ooh, it's a daily facial sunscreen, SPF 40. It actually comes out completely clear. And it's almost like a pore filler. Like it's like a kind of matte, like pore filling feel. It kind of feels like a smoothing primer. It does smell like sunscreen though. Okay, number seven is right here. What is this? Looks like a little scrub. This is the Brown Sugar Carob Lip Scrub. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like brown sugar, kind of like a cinnamon roll. This is actually really good for $20, you guys. Number eight's right here. Ooh, it's a bath fizz. Yuzu bath fizzer. Smells yummy. Number nine is right here. Oh, I just broke the whole thing. Lavender bath salt. So you actually get a pretty decent amount. Smells really soothing and relaxing. Number 10. This is the Sweet Nectarine Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Their hand creams are actually really nice. We got a little set and they are so nice. They're really like good texture. Oh my God, that smells exactly like peaches. Oh, that is so good. Okay, that's a perfect little like purse hand lotion. You guys, this is so worth the $20. There's some really good, like good size products in here. Number 11 is Exfoliating Sugar Scrub Cube. Number 12, we have the Rice Polish Cleanser Powder. I love rice enzyme exfoliator cleansers. They're so good. So there's actually a decent amount in here. I feel like you could get a good probably 3 uses out of this. That's everything that comes in the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Trader Joe's. I do feel like for 20 bucks, like really, if you were just trying to get for like a lip scrub and a hand cream, that would be $20 and you're getting all of this extra stuff. So I do think it's worth the $20, technically $19.99. I'm actually really impressed. This stuff smells really good. Like this nectarine and then that vitamin C body butter with glycolic. I'm super excited for that. It smells amazing. I would say run to Trader Joe's, grab them before they go. I feel like once people start seeing them, they're going to sell out pretty fast. Ours just put them out today, so it seems fairly new. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will be sharing some Black Friday deals, so you guys can go and check them out over there on my stories. I hope you guys all have a wonderful feast tomorrow with your friends or family or both. I really do appreciate you guys. I'm very thankful for you guys, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.